Welcome back to another episode of Hard Hat Heroes. And this time, we're about to go surprise a very large group of individuals from the inside shop. That's pretty exciting. But it's not just the inside shop. They're also from QA and from engineering, a cross-functional team. And what are they doing? They're working hard to make sure that our valves are predictably delivered on time. And it can't get better than that because we depend on them. All right, hello everyone. Surprise! You are on an episode of Hard Hat Heroes. Woo! Wanted to come down and thank all of you. I'm gonna come over here and thank all of you for the hard work that you are doing to overhaul, really fundamentally from the very beginning, all of the inside shop work associated with ball valves, hydraulics, and it's really driven by all of you. It doesn't go unnoticed. There's a lot of visibility all the way up to the highest levels of the Navy, right? The CNO knows what we are doing here at Puget Sound Naval Shipyard. So very impressed. Three times the improvement that we're seeing with ball valves. That is amazing. 3 times the improvement. It's incredible. But what I find most fascinating about this is that all of these ideas are coming from all of you. Tell me how it's going.
I think we've really improved the streamlining of the process and eliminating some of the waste and the hang-ups in time for material delivery. But beyond that, it just seems to be improving.
It's really, truly an honor to be working with all of you here, and I wanted you to know that. And it's really about one mission, one team. Great job.